All right, so now we're finding the volume of triangular prisms. And just like we did up above, we're going to need to first find the area of the main shape. In this case, we found the area of squares and rectangles by multiplying the base times the height. But now we're working with triangles, and the area for a triangle is the base times the height divided by 2, because a triangle is half the area of a square or rectangle. So here we're going to do 9 times 10 to get 90, and then we're going to divide it by 2, and that's going to give us 45 meters squared. So the area of this triangle here is 45 meters squared. And now we're going to take that area of 45 meters squared and multiply it by our length of 12 meters, and that's going to give us the volume for this entire triangular prism here. So when we do that, 45 times 12, that gives us 540 meters cubed. And I encourage you to try this without a calculator. All right, I think we can work on our multiplication here. We could do 2 times 5 to get 10, carry the 1, 2 times 4 to get 8, plus the 1 is 9. And now we're moving on to 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 4 gives us 4. And so when we add the zeros, the 9 and 5, we get 14, carry the 1, 540 meters cubed. So it really didn't take that long, all right? Might be 2 seconds quicker if you do it on your calculator, but I encourage you to practice your mathematics skills here by doing the entire algorithm of adding and multiplying. And so here we're going to do 4 times 4, our base times our height, and then divide it by 2. So that's going to be 16 divided by 2, which gives us 8 inches cubed for our area. And now we're going to take that area and we're going to plug it into our volume formula of simply just multiplying it by that other side of, hey, look at this, it's also 8. So we're going to take that 8 inches, and here we're going to get 64 inches cubed. 8 times 8 equals 64. All right, now we're going to do the next problem together, but I want you to try it out first on your own. So remember, we got to calculate the area first, and then take our area and just multiply it by that final side length of 18 centimeters. So it's going to be our area multiplied by 18 centimeters. That's our finishing move. All right, but first you got to find that area. What is it? Go ahead and try it on your own. All right, so hopefully you've had some time here. If you do 4 times 6, you're going to get 24. But wait, it's a triangle, so I have to divide it by 2. There I'm going to get 12 centimeters cubed. So I can put in for my area 12 centimeters cubed. And I'm going to multiply it by that length of 18 centimeters. So when we do that, we're going to end up with, let's see, 12 times 18. 8 times 2 gives me 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 gives me 8, plus the 1 gives me 9. Done with the 8. And now I'm moving on to 1 times 2 gives me 2. Well, gotta have my placeholder. 1 times 1 gives me 1. So, should give me 216 centimeters cubed if I multiply my area by my length of 18. That's the entire volume here. 216 centimeters cubed. All right, go ahead and try the rest of these problems here. We got 4, 5, and 6. And then we're going to move on to the volumes of cylinders. All right,